Japan is known for its unique blend of traditional culture and modern technology, making it a popular travel destination. Here are some beautiful places you can visit in Japan. 1. Kyoto. With over 1,600 Buddhist temples and Shinto shrines, Kyoto is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in Japanese history and culture. The city is also famous for its traditional tea houses, beautiful gardens, and stunning architecture. 2. Tokyo. As the capital of Japan, Tokyo is a vibrant and bustling city that is home to some of the world's most advanced technology. From towering skyscrapers to ancient temples, Tokyo has something for everyone. 3. Mount Fuji. This iconic mountain is located just outside of Tokyo and is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Japan. Visitors can hike to the top of the mountain or take a scenic train ride to enjoy the stunning views. 4. Hiroshima. Although the city is known for its tragic history, Hiroshima has since been rebuilt into a beautiful city that is rich in culture and history. Visitors can pay their respects at the Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park or take a stroll through the city's beautiful gardens. 5. Nara. Located just outside of Kyoto, Nara is home to some of Japan's oldest and most historic temples and shrines. The city is also famous for its friendly deer, which roam freely through the city's parks and streets. 6. Hokkaido. Japan's northernmost island, Hokkaido, is a popular destination for skiing, hiking, and outdoor activities. The island is also known for its hot springs and stunning natural scenery. 7. Okinawa. Located in the southernmost part of Japan, Okinawa is a tropical paradise that is known for its white sand beaches, crystal clear waters, and vibrant coral reefs. These are just a few of the many beautiful places to visit in Japan. Please subscribe, like and comment down below for more video to upload.